Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be making eggless vanilla cake with chocolate frosting. Cake which is very soft from inside and creamy chocolatey from outside. It's a very simple and quick recipe which does not require too many ingredients and can be made at home very easily. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So let's start with the cake. First I have taken curd which is about 1 cup. Then I am adding baking soda which is about half a teaspoon. We will mix this mixture well and keep this mixture aside for some time. Now in a separate bowl I have taken all-purpose flour which is about 1.5 cup. Now I am adding baking powder which is about 1 teaspoon. Now we will mix this mixture well and keep this aside too for some time. Now in another bowl I am taking powdered sugar which is about 3/4 cup. Now I am adding 1 cup of oil. Now I am adding vanilla essence which is 1 teaspoon. Give this mixture a good mix. Now I am adding the curd mixture. Give this mixture a good mix. Now let's add the dry ingredients which is all-purpose flour mixed with baking powder. Now mix them well and make a smooth batter. Please keep in mind you do not have to over mix it. Our smooth batter is almost ready now without any lumps. Now we will transfer this into a tin. I have taken a 7-inch tin and lined it with butter paper. Greasing it with oil now. Now pour the batter into the tin. Now tap the tin properly so that the batter is equal from all the sides. I've taken this deep vessel like cooker. You can use cooker also. I've kept a dabba inside and covered it with a lid and preheated this for 10 minutes. Now we will keep the cake tin inside for 45 minutes on low medium flame or until it's properly cooked. It's been 45 minutes and our cake is cooked properly. I've checked it with a stick which came out clean. Now keep this cake aside to let it cool down. Our cake is cooled down. Let's demold it. See how the butter paper is easily removed. The cake looks awesome. It's so soft. Now let's prepare the chocolate frosting. For that I have taken half a cup of cream. It's normal Amul cream that is available in the market. Now we will cook this until the boil comes, and the moment boil starts to come, switch off the flame. I have taken 200 grams of dark chocolate and crushed into pieces. Now pouring the cream into the chocolate. Now mix it well and don't worry if there are lumps now. It will go in some time. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of salted butter to add extra shine to the frosting. Now give this a good mix, and if your chocolate is not melted yet, microwave it for 10 seconds. See, our chocolate frosting is perfect now. Now we will keep this in refrigerator for 10 minutes. Now let's start the fun part, which is decorating the cake. I am dividing cake into 2 layers. Now I am applying some sugar syrup. Sugar syrup is basically some sugar and water mixed. So I am applying that. Now pour the frosting that we have prepared. Spread it well. Now I am keeping the second layer again and applying some sugar syrup. Now pour the frosting again and spread it well. This time you have to cover the sides as well, so pour some frosting on the sides too. Cover the cake properly Cake is covered with chocolate frosting properly. Now we will keep the cake in refrigerator for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's give finishing to the frosting. If you want, you can add little more frosting to the cake to make it look clean. Our cake is looking smooth and nice now. So let's start the most amazing part. I've taken the same frosting. For frosting to get piping like consistency, I've kept the frosting in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Frosting decoration is done now. Let's put some sprinkles on it now. Our beautiful looking cake is ready now, which is soft from inside, chocolatey from outside. I hope you like this recipe. Do try this out and let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to see more such recipes, do subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the next notification. और अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो हम जल्द ही इसका हिंदी में वीडियो ला रहे हैं। उसके लिए आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।